me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between defining my curls using my fingers and using this glove curl sponge. So first I'm going to start by rubbing this leave-in conditioner all through my hair. Okay, so for the left side of my hair, I'm going to use the sponge, and then for the right side, I'm going to use my fingers. So I'm going to start by using my fingers. Okay, so far this is how it looks after using my fingers on this side, and then this is the side I haven't done anything to yet. I can clearly see a difference. Okay, so now for this side, I'm going to put on the glove. It's technically on backwards, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, so this is how the side that I use the glove looks like. And then this is all just the product that was in my hair. So this is the side with the glove. This is the side with my fingers. I can't really tell a difference. They both look super defined. Okay, so to be honest, you guys, I personally don't notice a difference at all. Like, they both look super defined to me. Some days I just feel like using my hands, and some days I just feel like using my sponge. They look like they both give like the same results. It looks so bomb. I thought about timing it because I was like, you know, maybe if there's no difference, I use one faster than the other. But to be honest, I did them both for about the same time. So really, if you guys see a difference, let me know which side you prefer. This is my left side. This is the side that I use the glove, and this is my right side. This is the side that I just use my fingers. So if you have a preference, please let me know, because I don't see much of a difference. But at the same time, I love the curl sponge though, so it's like, why do I love it so much if it does the same thing? I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you have a preference, please comment below, because I am curious about you guys' opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely be sure to do that right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!